I know what you're thinking right now. I understand English, but when I try to speak, I freeze. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's 2026 and let's be honest, English is not just a subject in school anymore. It's how we connect, how we work and how we grow globally. But I know what you're thinking right now. I understand English, but when I try to speak, I freeze. Today I'm going to show you how to break that wall and speak with total confidence using a simple real life trick. Imagine you are at a college fest or a tech meetup. You see someone really cool you want to network with. Your heart says go talk to them, but your brain says what if I sound stupid? Last week, my friend Priya was at a startup event. She saw a founder she really admired. Instead of overthinking her grammar, she just walked up and said, "Hey, loved your talk. Can I ask you one thing?" That's it. They talked for 10 minutes. Was her English perfect? No. But did she get a LinkedIn connection? Yes. The lesson is in 2026, people care about your ideas and energy, not your tenses. To make this easy for you, follow these 3 steps every day. Number 1, the think aloud habit. When you are alone in your room, talk to yourself in English about what you are doing. Say, I'm making coffee right now, or where is my keys? This trains your brain to find English words faster without the pressure of an audience. Number 2, copy the rhythm. English is just like a music. Don't just learn words. Listen how people speak on YouTube or Netflix. Notice where they pause and where they get loud. Try to mimic them like a song, and it's the fastest way to sound natural. And the last one is use short power phrases. Stop trying to build long and complex sentences. Use short ones first, like sounds good. I see your point. Could you repeat that? These phrases gives you confidence and keep the conversation moving smoothly. In 2026, the world is smaller than ever. Everyone is learning just like you. So the next time you feel nervous, just remember Priya at the startup event. Take a deep breath, forget the grammar rules for a second and just start speaking. Before you go, let's start practice right now. Drop one power phrase in the comments below, and if you want to keep improving your English with me this year, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Keep practicing guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.